So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to edit your bio on LinkedIn. So let's get it started. At first, make sure you have the LinkedIn app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. And this is the home page of your LinkedIn account. Now you should have to tap on your profile picture, which is available on the top left corner of your screen. So tap here. Then tap on your profile picture, which is also available on the top left corner of your screen. Now scroll down below. Then you can see the option of about, and even you can see the option of pencil. So tap here. Then from here you can change your bio, and once everything is done you should have to tap on save icon like this, and see, you have successfully edited your bio. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.